probably Googled something today, right? Maybe it was best coffee shop near me or how to fold a fitted sheet. No judgment, we've all been there. But have you ever wondered why some websites pop up first on Google? That is SEO doing its magic. Stick with me for a few minutes as I break down SEO in a super simple way, and I'll even share a quick few tips to boost your own site. So SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's all about helping people find your website organically on search engines like Google or Bing. Basically, when someone searches for something, let's say easy dinner recipes, SEO determines which websites will rank here at the top of the results. Often at the top of the search here, we'll see some paid placements, but these ones below are all organically popping up, which means they have really strong SEO. So the goal with SEO is to do everything you can to make your website appear higher in those search results so you get more visitors without spending $1 on ads. Let's do a few more searches together. Let's see what comes up when we search massage therapy in Toronto. Right, so here you can see there are paid sponsored ads at the top of Google. And then as you scroll down, you'll see some Google business profiles, which I'll touch on later in this video. And you'll also get to the organic results. There's also an FAQ section for Google search, which you can also rank for. And see how I press in, the answer is directly linked to a business website. That is SEO working. As you can see, there are many ways you can have your business appear within a search, and we're here to talk you through all of them and help you get to number one. So, how does SEO work? Before we can get into how to get started with your SEO, we have to understand how SEO works. Like, how can you really make sure your business is the number one search result? I want you to think of search engines like librarians for the internet. Their job is to crawl through millions, and I mean millions of web pages and pick the one that best answers a user's question. To do this, search engines rely on three key pillars of SEO: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. On-page SEO is everything you control on your site, such as keywords, headings, readability, meta descriptions, and image alt text. Off-page SEO is how the rest of the internet interacts with your site, including backlinks, which are other websites or articles linking to you, Google Business Profile Optimization, social media activity, online reviews, and other external signals that build your website's credibility and authority. Then we have technical SEO, which are the behind-the-scenes factors like your website's loading speed, mobile friendliness, and structure. When you are doing all three of these pillars well, you are sending major "I'm credible and trustworthy" vibes to the search engines. That means you are on the right track to showing up on Google when people search for both your business and related search terms. And listen, I get it, this sounds like a lot, but that is where Durable can make your life easier. As a business owner, you don't need to get super technical with SEO. That is not your job. Knowing the basics is all you need, especially when you use Durable. With us and our website builder, we handle the SEO heavy lifting for you. Our built-in SEO tools manage both the on-page and many technical aspects of SEO. We write your copy with keywords and best practices in mind, we source and list your keywords for you, and your site is automatically optimized for speed and mobile friendliness. So, if you want to show up on Google, generate more traffic, and grow your client list, which I'm sure you do, I recommend trying Durable. Click the link in the description below to give it a go. How to get started with SEO. I am here to help you get started with SEO without feeling overwhelmed. I'm going to keep it really simple and give you 3 actionable steps you can take today. And even if you only checked one of these off your list, I promise that you'll be in a stronger place. Tip number 1, optimize a key page for your main keyword. Start by optimizing a key page on your website for your main keyword. Pick one of the most important pages on your website. This could be your home page, a product page, or a service page, and make sure it's optimized for the main keyword your customers are searching for. Now, this main keyword is usually something that is very closely related to your business. For example, let's say you are a massage therapist in Toronto. Your keyword could be massage therapy Toronto. If you run a food blog about air fryer recipes, it could be easy air fryer recipes. Or if you're a dog trainer, it could be something like affordable dog training. Jot down some ideas and do a quick Google search of these keywords and see what your competition is doing and how they are using the keywords in their content on their website. Then, I want you to add your keyword to the page's title, headings, and within the first 100 words of text in your description. Now, don't overdo it, just focus on making the content helpful and natural. Once you do that, you can start to think through some secondary keywords that your audience may be searching for, and how you can include those on other pages, or blog posts even. Tip number 2, ask for a Google review. Reach out to 1 or 2 happy customers today and ask them to leave you a Google review. This is a quick way to boost your online reputation and improve your chances of showing up in local search results. It really only takes a couple of minutes, but it can have a really big impact. Now, if you don't have a Google business profile yet, not a problem. You can ask for a written review and then you can add it directly to your Durable website. But I do highly recommend that you set up a Google business profile. It's great for search purposes, but it's also really helpful for clients looking to get more information about your business. I've linked a guide in the description below on how to set your profile up. Tip number 3, test your website's mobile friendliness. Now, if you've generated your website with Durable, your site is automatically mobile friendly and there's no need to do this step. You can already check what I'm about to say off your list. But if you happen to use a different website provider, if anything's off, like your buttons are too small or the text is hard to read, you should fix this because 60% of searches happen on mobile now, so this step is critical for your SEO success. And that is SEO in a nutshell. If you're ready for the next step, check out our next video where we'll build a full SEO strategy for your business together. If you have any questions or want more specific SEO tips, drop them in the comments below. I would love to help. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a bit of SEO help. Don't forget, Durable's website builder can take care of all the hard stuff for you. Links in the description to try it out for free. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.